The old rusty clock ticked away in Dr. Jonason's study as he pondered over the complex logical problem. He was stuck and frustrated, walking around in circles for hours. As the clock struck midnight, something clicked in his mind. "That's it!" he exclaimed. The solution was simple but elegant. Solving complex logical puzzles gave him an unparalleled joy. Little did he know that exactly 200 years later, people around the globe would celebrate logic and reasoning on January 14th as World Logic Day. World Logic Day commemorates the day in 1646 when the first logic treatise, De Propositionnibus Modalibus, by Gerardus Janus Vossis was published. Logic as a subject has been studied since ancient times by philosophers like Aristotle, but Vossis's work propelled further advancements in the field. On this day, people applaud the power of reasoning and acknowledge its role in mathematics, philosophy, and science. Logic and critical thinking skills are crucial in all areas of life, from social interactions to technical fields. They help in problem solving, decision making, and avoiding logical fallacies and cognitive biases. Logical reasoning is the foundation for any rational thought and scientific discoveries. All inventions and modern technologies we enjoy today are a result of applying logic and reasoning. On World Logic Day, people conduct and participate in fun logic activities and puzzles to sharpen their reasoning skills in an engaging way. Some math clubs and schools organize special lectures or events on logic, and famous logicians like Bloom and Frege. Debating contests are also popular, where participants can showcase their logical argumentation abilities. Those interested in logical problems and puzzles solve brain teasers from puzzle books or websites to challenge themselves. While Dr. Jonason would have never imagined such a day commemorating logic, he would surely be delighted to know how much the field has advanced and spread its wings in various domains. Solving his logic puzzle brought him joy that night, and on this day, let the power of logic and reasoning enlighten and enthrall us all. Logic, like time, is eternal, and its World Day deserves a celebration. January 14 is World Logic Day. Here is our painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a wonderful World Logic Day. Cheers!